Robert Heffernan with EndoTech, contributor to the Predator Network and EndoTech subscribers. This is Blockchain Vitals. It's our daily segment talking cryptocurrencies, blockchain assets, the blockchain technology, as Jamie Dimon says. Blockchain. It's all blockchain. Blockchain good, crypto bad. Okay, Jamie, take it easy. Let's do the rounds to talk about it. Doing the rounds, my chance every day to talk about what I've seen in the headlines, my thoughts on the asset class, and out of Davos, Switzerland, where the incredibly, I mean, the picture I saw of the private jets is just mind-boggling. And believe me when I tell you, at Davos, they are very interested in blockchain and crypto. Believe me when I tell you this, because the real battle here in blockchain technology is an open network or a blockchain, closed network. Who is it? Is it a distributed ledger that is open and verified by the public, or is it a consented blockchain? Like, believe me, the powers that be want to see. They want to see the cost savings from a consented blockchain technology situation where they can still be a bad actor if they want to be. And believe me, if there's nothing in the headlines that tells you that people will be bad actors, just look at Deutsche Bank laundering $200 billion. Believe me, these legacy companies, they do not want the revolution to be a decentralized revolution. They do not want their power structures disrupted. So Jamie Dimon's saying that he's not gloating that the price of Bitcoin collapsed here and that he eventually thinks it goes to zero. But, he's all for blockchain technology where they still hold the cards, so to speak. Anyway, another thing that I noticed, because, I will try to find one of these every day because it's just, this headline's from CCN, Cryptocurrency Network, how are you supposed to read the news and form an opinion here? A Bitcoin price will tank to zero, claims investment firm chief at Davos. Had lunch with Jamie Dimon, for sure. And then the next one, Bitcoin price oversold, may have found a bottom. Bloomberg analyst. Bloomberg, he's made a lot of money. I'm sure he does not hire analysts that are full of shit, just to speak in straight pit talk. So who do you believe? Well, for my money, all I can do then, because every day this is what you read, the with money and the guest money in the fundamental side of things that make news, that write copy, all right? The technical things sometimes aren't as flashy or they do not make as good a news fodder, but that's what I pay attention to. All right, so let's take the vitals and talk about price action because the news is the news. All right, taking the vitals, that Blockchain Vitals sheet. It's your resource for disciplined trading. This week we'll be covering and continue on Tron, TRX, Tron. Right now trading 0266. 0266 in Tron. Just there, still in up momentum, had a little pop and then came back here, but still in up mo now on the daily, 2 days in a row. Put in kind of a Dozier hammer day. Don't particularly like that hammer that it put on the daily chart, and especially with the seeming weakness in some of the others. This is just sideways action again. I'm not going to spend a lot of time today on TRX or on this segment for that matter because we need a breakout. And until we have a breakout, until we find momentum for several, 8-hour sessions in a row and then several days in a row, it's really hard to talk about the technicals. So maybe you'll want to read the news. But I'm patient, man. I've been patient for 30 years trading these things, and that's the key. The key is to be patient, and you're going to get some head fakes, all right? But if you are patient and you mind the mo, believe me, at the end of the day, at the end of the year, at the end of 5 years, you're going to be in a much better position had you minded the mo. All right, so Tron, still looking positive. The negative is this daily hammer that it put in, this daily doji. Still an up mo. Mind the mo on this on the daily. That comes in at 02607. Right now trading 0266. What is it? Yeah, 0267. 0267. Wow, that's hard to do. 0260 even, we're calling up mo that you want to see it hold. All right, listen, I'm going to say goodbye to the YouTube crowd and cover some more of these top 4, but not a lot to talk about in the technical setup, so we're going to keep it brief. But anyway, see you later, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please, if you want to watch the full coverage here and have full access to the Blockchain Vitals sheet, visit endotech.io and subscribe. All right, thank you very much.